Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem palindromic substring. So given a string, your task is to count how many palindromic substring in this string. The substring with different start or end indices are counted as a different substring even they consist of the same characters. So first of all, you should know what is palindromic. If you don't know, I already have a separate dedicated video where we solve whether it is a palindrome, valid palindrome or no. You can check out. But let me explain you. Palindromic string is a string which can be read same from start and end. So this is a palindromic string, as we can read A from start and V is in center. Similarly, we can have an palindromic string with even length as well. So this is ABB. A is also palindromic substring. So for finding how many substring is palindromic, so first of all we can do naively find out all the substring of this string. So all the substring of ABC of length, first length 1 is AVC itself, and length 2 AV and VC, and length 3 is AVC. So these are the 6 possible substring out of from AVC. So these 3, as you can see, so this is C actually, and all of the 3, like single character string is always palindromic, so hence 3, and these either of like 2 is not palindromic. No string from of length 2 is palindrome here, so it's 0. Similarly, this is not palindrome, so hence it is 0. So we will sum them up and it is 3. So one of the naive solution you can think of, just find out the palindrome substring. So this is the code for that. So as you can see, we started from index 1 I 0 to length, and then second I plus 1. So this will help us to find out all the substrings. So let's say this is our string ABC. So first we started I from here, then we are starting J from index I plus 1 to go up to length equals to the length, because as we are using substring method, that substring method doesn't include the j, it's cut the string from I to j minus 1 index. So we will get, like initially I is 0, j is 1, so we will get this first. Similarly, when I is 0 and j is 2, we will get these 2 character. We will like that, and every time we call is palindrome method, and palindrome method, like we are starting from the leftmost and the rightmost character and then shrinking until the left or right cross each other less than the r, and if the character is equal, and in the end we just return if L cross or equals to r, which means it is a palindromic string, otherwise it is not. So this is a code for checking is palindrome, and this is a code like cutting all the substring and then check is palindrome. So this will give us total count. Now what will be the time complexity of this brute force solution? As you can see clearly, we are running 2 nested for loop, and there is a third loop, as you can see here, as well as sequentially we cutting the substring will take O of n time. So hence overall time complexity of this solution big O of n cube, where n is the length of the string, and the space complexity is constant, as we are not using other much constant, like we are just using a constant variables. So this is, can we optimize this solution? As this solution is very time costly, for a big string it must be time out. So how can we optimize it? So as you know, like we have already solved one famous problem, which is like longest palindromic substring. You can check out the LeetCode problem 5, and I already posted the video solution on that. So let's understand, like AVA, let's say this is the string. So what are the possible palindrome? As I am on this index, let's say, so I can expand it both the side until it is giving me palindrome. So I can go and it is giving to me full palindrome. So if I start from B, I can get 1 is a V itself palindrome first, then VAA. So I can get 2 when I starting with 2 index as a center as V. So similarly, we can start from A, then we can get 1 A is itself palindrome. A is itself palindrome, and from B we get, like say V, and AV A is a palindrome, 2 palindrome frame here. Now from A we will get 1, and after that this left side index becomes negative, so we will stop here. Similarly, when we start from this A, we will get A is a palindrome. So by starting individual indexes as a center of our palindrome, so this is what we are considering the odd length palindrome. There is a possible like even length palindrome as well. Let's say this AA is a even length palindrome. So we need to start with 2 indices, like I, like this for A, V, A itself. We will also try this case, like I from here to here. Is it equal? no, this is not equal, so hence it is not a palindrome. We will return here false, like there is no count. Similarly, we start from here and here, it's these two are not equal, so hence, so overall total number of palindrome of this string is 4. As we can see clearly, 3 letter is self 1 and 2 like another is AVA is a palindrome. So this is the 4. So let's take another example, AVA, and let's say A is another A. So here what we can do for starting, like II, which is like this I, this place as a center of palindrome, this place is a center of palindrome, this place is a center of palindrome. So we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we are taking this as a palindrome, we will get another extra. So total we will get 5 from this. Now we start 2 indices, like 2 adjacent character as a center of our palindrome. So this is equal, so hence we get 1 palindrome. But when we start by considering this to not equal, there is no palindrome. If we take these two, not palindrome, not. So this is how the approach, we will use this approach and solve this problem. So let's start the code. So for the code is very straightforward once you got the idea. So first of all, let's define a count variable that will count the total number of palindromic substring, and then we iterate from int I is equals to 0, I less than length of our string and I plus plus. Then we count it and add. We will write a helper method which will help us count palindrome by passing the center, like palindrome center. So we will pass first string s and II itself both, plus in second case we have to, for the, this is for the odd length, and for the even length we will pass I and I plus 1. So this is what, once we get all the palindrome, we will just return the count. So let's now write the definition of our helper method, which will return the count when we consider the center as II or I comma I plus 1. So this is string s we are getting here, and this is integer left, let's say left to index, and this is center int, let's say r. So here we will run this until while L is greater than or equals to 0 and r is less than length of, like last index of our string, and also we need to count all the palindrome by considering that string as a center. So that is count, and here we will check if s dot caret current L index is equals to s dot caret r index, then we will decrease L by 1, increase R by 1, and it is a palindrome. So we count as a in the count plus 1, and after in the end we just return the count. This is the number of palindrome when we consider the II or II plus 1 as a center, and we will try this all possible I as our center of palindrome. So let's compile the code. So for the code, as you can see, it is clearly working, and let's try other test cases. Some other tests like AAA, we should get here 6, and the another AVA, and another is, let's say, AVA itself. So let's try if we are getting expected answer. So as you can clearly see, there is no diff, we are getting expected answer. Now we can confident enough and submit this and see it got accepted. Now what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see, we are running one loop here, for loop for length n, and nestedly we are worst case going till the length every time in the length when like all the character are same. So the time complexity of this code is O of n square, and the space complexity, as you clearly again see, there is few constants only, so which is constant. Can we further optimize? Yeah, there is a very strong algorithm, matcher algorithm, which is very hard to code, but if you want to implement that algorithm, you can do wiki search and check out the code base how it is, and that is of O of n. We can write this solution in O of n algorithm. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.